Thank you for stopping by Ballistic BBQ. On today's video, it's gonna be tonight's video. I'm cooking up ribeye steaks and shrimp on the Fireside grill by Sunterra Pro. Let's get going. Well, first things first, let me introduce you to this beautiful Fireside grill by Sunterra Pro. I'm buddies with the owner of the company, and he actually surprised me with this, and wow, what a surprise. I mean, this is like a centerpiece in my backyard now, and I'm really stoked about it. I've been doing a few cooks on it, and surprisingly enough, because I see this thing, I get it put together in my backyard, I'm thinking, it's really only good for entertaining, because it's designed obviously for people to be, standing around this 360 degrees. But with all this stuff been going on, because I had planned on my first video being, all my friends standing around it and kind of having like a luau, so to speak. And obviously that didn't happen. But I've been cooking some dinners on this, and it's actually a lot more versatile than it looks. We'll start out with huge space in here for your charcoal and or your wood. Right now I'm burning lump charcoal in here and a couple small splits of hickory. So this cooking grate right here is actually 20.5 inches in diameter, so it's big. Obviously this is like a flat top surface going all the way around this grill grate. And the diameter from this edge all the way to the other edge of I'm going to call it a flat top, is 40 inches. The cooking surface on the flat top, so from right here to right here, is actually 10 inches. So that's pretty big. So imagine what I was imagining. Actually, my wife's birthday is literally in 3 days. And again, I wanted to have this cool kind of luau thing. And I pictured all of our friends standing around here with cocktails and like skewers, cooking our own meals. But anyway, a lot of cooking surface here. From now, I know I know of about 3, maybe 4 other companies that are making similar style cookers. And the one thing that they're lacking, and I think this is a great, addition, is a shelf. So this is a shelf going all the way around 360 degrees. And the shelf is removable if you want to remove it. But I think that's cool, not only for, again, having your ingredients for your cook sitting on the side, but also, again, I'm picturing you're having a party and maybe there's kids there and a little kid, comes up and grabs the edge of this, and that'd be a tragedy. So tragedy averted. So cleanup on this is actually pretty easy. Down there, what I'm going to call the front, because I have it pointed at you guys, is a kind of a triangular bucket, for lack of better words, and you just pull that out. There's a hole underneath or above that bucket. You just push all the ash and it drops right in there, and you dump it out once it's all cool. Let's get to cooking. So here are the shrimp that I'm going to be cooking up with the steak. Nice size shrimp. I have 15 of those, and my inspiration was sort of tequila sunrise for this marinade. So I have here 1 cup of tequila. It's Blanco, so this is white. 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 2 tablespoons freshly squeezed orange juice, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon grenadine, 1 teaspoon rice vinegar. Get a little acid in there. Let's mix this up. Good enough. Let's get the shrimp in there. Smells really good. Right, I'm going to get this off to the side and we'll get those big old steaks on the grill. Just 2 beautiful ribeyes. So this one here is 1.5 pounds, this is 1.4. So they're not tiny guys. And I'm actually going to be using adobo seasoning for this. Since I'm kind of going with a little bit of a Mexican theme with the shrimp, the marinade for the shrimp. All right, and on the grill they go. So what I'm going to do, again, I have all the charcoal under that side. That part of the flat top is screaming hot. This part it's not as hot. So I'm going to do a forward sear on these. I'm going to get a nice sear going on them right now. Probably pull them back to over here, then I'll finish them on the flat top. While these are resting, we're going to cook the shrimp. Look at that. All right, let's check this out. Look at that. That is beautiful. So I'm going to sit this right over here now. Nice. So I'll be checking the temperature on these. These are really thick steaks. I mean, they're close to 2 inches thick. Once they get to the target temp, and I'm looking for probably about 120 or so, I'll move them over and we'll finish them off on this hot flat top. Sear them really good on both sides, and then we'll get that shrimp on while these guys are resting. All right, these guys are probing out now at about 111. I'm going to go ahead and give them a flip just to make sure we get a nice even cook. And these are looking just beautiful. Look at that. So again, getting them over there on the flat top is just going to have that just beautiful, beautiful crust across the board here. All right, these guys are temping out good. Put them on here now. We'll finish them off. Nice. All right. I'm gonna get these in the house, lightly tin them with foil, let them rest, and we're gonna get those shrimp on. Took the shrimp out of the marinade, just kind of let it drip dry, so to speak. Shook off the marinade, I guess. Smells really good. A little adobo. This is just a really good seasoning, but it's got good stuff. I mean, it's got garlic in it, pepper, some salt, just some really good kind of Mexican, seasoning. Good stuff. All right, give these guys a flip. Beautiful color. All right, and these are looking done. Let me get this all plated up with my steak, and I'll give you guys a try. Give me a try, I'll let you look at it. So this smells really good. And the crickets smell it, they're hungry, it is dark. It's not really that late, just so you know, it's probably around 8 p.m. my time. So let's give this a try. First of all, I hope, with this lighting, I mean in this dark, this looks as good as it looks to me, because this is gorgeous. Let's give this a try. This always makes me so happy. I'm gonna pick it up. Look at that. It's a gorgeous medium rare. What is this stuff? Oh yeah, shrimp. Beautiful. All right, let me try some of this shrimp. I do love shrimp. Cheers. You definitely taste that tequila. Definitely pick up on the citrus. Well, this was good. Very happy with this. I'm going to go inside now, away from these crickets, and enjoy my meal with my wife and son. Keep those suggestions coming in, guys. Thank you so much for the views. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.